In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in sign in Grammarly account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the correct page, enter your details, use an alternative sign-in option if you prefer, and land on your Grammarly dashboard without any confusion. First, open any web browser you are comfortable with and go directly to www.grammarly.com/sign or appgrammarly.com. Typing the address into the address bar is the most reliable way to avoid extra clicks or misleading search results. You should see the official Grammarly sign-in page. If you are already signed in on this browser, you may be taken straight to your dashboard. That simply means your previous session is still active. If not, you'll see the login form ready for you. Now, enter your email and password, exactly as you set them up on your account. Be mindful of capitalization, since passwords are case-sensitive. If you copy and paste your email, double-check that you haven't accidentally included a space at the beginning or end. Using a reputable password manager can help you fill these fields accurately. If you are on a shared or public computer, make sure you don't stay signed in after you are done for privacy and security. If you created your Grammarly account with a single sign-on provider, choose the matching option. Sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. It's important to use the same method you used when you first set up your account, because that's how Grammarly recognizes you. After clicking, a small window may appear asking you to confirm your account. If you are already logged in with that provider in your browser, the process will be quick. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity there before returning to Grammarly. To complete access, click the Sign In or Continue button on the page. Give it a moment to process and you'll be redirected to your Grammarly dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your documents. Open the editor, install extensions, and manage settings. If the page doesn't load right away, a quick browser refresh usually helps. If you see an error, recheck your email for typos and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also try a different browser if something seems off. That's all there is to it. Open the correct sign-in page. Enter your email and password, or use your Google, Facebook, or Apple method, and then select Sign In or Continue to reach your dashboard. Thanks for watching.